Today's video from Sam4SL, we're taking a quick look at how you can use fractional entries on the ER180U register. So maybe you sell items by weight, you have a preset price and you charge depending on what the weight is, or maybe by measurement, or maybe like an internet cafe type of setup where you charge by the hour for being there or for using the internet. Basically you can do it in a couple of different ways. Obviously in the reg mode you've got the 5 department buttons which can be programmed to have a preset price or can be totally open. So you just type in the price, hit the department key, subtotal, cash the sale off. If you've got a preset button that you're selling by quantity, you can do multiples of it, but you can also do fractional multiples. So for example 1.5 multiply button and then department 1, so that's sold 1.5 lots at £10, so that's £15. So again you could do 2.3 multiply and then the department button, and it works fine. So that's if the button's preset. If it doesn't have a preset price, then you can simply you just add the price in. So to do 5.5 times £1, you would do 5.5 multiply £1 and then hit the appropriate department key, and that would sell it that way. Okay, so I'll just repeat that procedure. Type in the multiplier, I guess you'd call it, so 4.9 for example, multiply, price, department button, subtotal, cash. Okay, hope that video's been helpful. Got plenty more videos showing you how to get the best out of the ER180 and other Sam4S cash registers, which you're welcome to check out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sam4sl.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.